A business for other businesses. This evening, we look at how one services enterprise makes it easier for other startups. Here is Aisha Nation.
There are low tides and high tides in owning and operating a business, and the inevitable question, what's next, seems too common. But the answer may be found with a new company that says it is the solution for new and existing companies. Shadeen Ramsay is director of Ramsay's Professional Services.
We do business development services in a nutshell. So we do services ranging from COJ, that's Companies Office of Jamaica type services. We help small businesses to medium-sized businesses with taxes, accounting services. We also help with a lot of like document preparation type services, and basically everything that a business would need to grow structurally.
The 23-year-old says any idea is possible and not all businesses need capital to start.
I have a service business, so I actually started with $0, right? So I didn't start with any, financial capital. It was more just me doing a service, and you'd offload those costs to whatever clients that you have.
A passion made profitable.
Growth is a big topic for me in this business, especially because every month it's something new. Every month is almost like there is just some more growth. I've been unable to really just stop and settle and say, oh, let me just take on this flow, because there's so much expansion that I have to be doing literally every month since the inception of the company. So I would say that on average per month, I would say 10 to 25% increase, and that fluctuates on the basis that sometimes it's way more than that, meaning probably we make 2 times what we usually make, so that's like 100 or 200% more than what we usually make, while other times we'll make the average, which is like a 10% increase, 10 to 25% increase each month.
And in terms of expansion plans,
we became a multi-million-dollar business in less than a year. I would say 6 months of literally operating, and then we've just been going from there. So in terms of to 2030, I feel like we're going to be the service hub of Jamaica, because I have so many plans, and I feel like I'm truly working my way into mastering that idea of a service business. Definitely, learning, going through, going along the curb and having my challenges and everything. But I feel like the passion that I have and the ambition and drive that I have for the service business, we're going to be the service hub of Jamaica, probably the Caribbean too.
The 2-year-old company has 10 employees, but Ms. Ramsay says over time she is looking to be a major contributor to the job market and the Jamaican economy. Think about your business idea, and Ramsay's Professional Services will assist in doing the rest. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.